This time we will be talking about the skeletal system. Skeletal system supports and give the body its shape. It also protects the delicate vital organs and they aid in the movement also. The three main parts of the skeletal system are bones, joints, and cartilages. Bones form the framework of the body, which is called the skeleton. And skeleton is divided into two major parts. These are axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton protects the delicate organ in the body. This is composed of 80 bones, which includes the skull, backbone, breastbone, and ribs. Appendicular skeleton provides support and aid in movement. This includes the hand, legs, and hip bones. Now we go to joints. This is a point where two or more bones meet, and we have actually 5 kinds of joints. First one is the gliding joints. These allow the bones to slide from each other, and it is found in the wrist. Number 2, hinge joints. Hinge joints allow bending and straightening movements. These are found in the elbows and knees. Next, ball and socket joints. These enable bones to move freely in all directions. These are found in the shoulder and the hips. Number 4 is saddle joint. It allows back and forth movement as well as up and down, but does not allow rotational movement like that of the ball and socket. This is found in the thumb. The last one is the pivot joint. It allows one bone to move around while the other stays in place. This is found between the neck and head. Next, cartilage. Cartilage are fibrous tissues which absorb shock and serves as a cushion between two bones. Ligaments are tough tissues that connect a bone to another. They are made of very thick and elastic material that can be stretched when the bones move. The second one is the tendons. Tendons connect the muscles to the bones. Now let us see the injuries to the skeletal system. Number 1 is sprain. Sprain occurs when too much pressure is put on a joint and the nearby bones and ligaments. Number 2, dislocation. Occurs when severe pressure is put on the joints. Number 3, fracture. Fracture is the breaking of the bones, and there are 2 kinds of fracture. The first one is the simple fracture. The bones here were the only one broken. However, in the compound fracture, the bones and the surrounding tissues are damaged. Now let's go to the diseases and disorders of the skeletal system. Number 1, arthritis. This is the result of gradual erosion of the protective layer of cartilage between the bones and the joints. This is usually experienced by the old people. Number 2, rickets. The weakening and the softening of the bones due to vitamin D deficiency. That means lack of vitamin D. And then scoliosis. This is an abnormal curvature of the spine. Lastly, osteoporosis. This is a bone disease wherein the bone is weak and brittle.